Hi guys, welcome back to my channel UPSC Study Talks. So today is also an unboxing video of UPSC related books that I was purchased from Flipkart. Yesterday I also uploaded a video of unboxing about the anthropology books that I was purchased from Amazon. If you don't watch that video, I will provide the link in the description box. Please go and check that. The package was arranged very nicely and there is a bubble wrap in it. Whenever I got this, I just want to pop it like a cake. Oh god, that was so satisfying. So this is the 9-year wise UPSC Civil Service main essay solved paper of DISHA publication. It has the solved papers of essays from 2013 to 2022. That was nice, and its MRP rate is 170. But I got this as around 153 including the delivery charge from the Flipkart. So these are the contents of these books, and the fonts are very big enough to see. As you can see that it was very clear and there is no pages that are folded or torn. As you know that essay is a very important subject in UPSC for scoring more marks. If you want to practice the model answers for essay, this book is very good. The word limit is strictly adhered in this book. Each and every questions they are answered in a very simple language that we can understand. So that's it for today's videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye, take care, see you in another video.